In this video, I'm going to show you the steps I took to 3D print a custom enclosure, solder, wire, and program a Raspberry Pi Pico to act as a USB adapter for the original GameCube controller. This video is sponsored by AllPCB, your one-stop shop for PCB prototyping and manufacturing. They are offering a special new customer discount via the link in the description of this video. This is the custom PCB I designed to interface easily with a GameCube controller jack. The PCB was kindly provided by AllPCB. Here I'm applying solder paste to solder the 1K ohm resistor needed to regulate the voltage from the Raspberry Pi Pico. Next, I'm going to solder the little PCB to the backside of the GameCube controller port. Here I am preparing the wiring for the interface between the Pico and the controller port. We only need 3 wires, one for voltage, one for ground, and one for data. Now, I'm preparing my 3D enclosure model to send to my 3D printer before I finish wiring and assembly. I'm fitting the port and then screwing the Pico into place in the enclosure. Then with both in place, I can carefully solder my 3 wires to my corresponding through-hole pads on my custom PCB. Now it's time to button up the case and then program the Raspberry Pi Pico. Here I'm holding the program button before plugging the USB into my PC. It's important to hold this button to initiate the USB drive mode of the Pico. The Pico program I'm using can be downloaded from David Pagel's GitHub repo, Retro Pico Switch. Once downloaded, I'm going to drag and drop the .uf2 file I just downloaded onto the root of my Pico. Now the Pico is programmed and ready for testing. I found you have to first plug in the GameCube controller before plugging in the USB cable for the PC to recognize the adapter. When properly wired and programmed, the control adapter will show up as a Poken controller when plugged into your PC. Now it's time to play some Mario Kart World on my Nintendo Switch 2. Thanks for watching.